Run free and dive into the sky.
Today's the day. Sylvia is gonna get sanded. What are we doing today, guys?
Sand out the car, making sure that it's less lead free, I guess? I don't know, this car is old, so we don't know how much lead's in the paint.
So what you're telling me is it's gonna go from old busted to new hotness?
We're doing a weight reduction.
Okay, weight reduction. But when we add paint, doesn't that kinda...
Yeah, but right now it's in the reduction state. We'll add it back later.
So Chin, what are you most excited about with this paint process we're about to do?
Maybe one color.
Okay.
Yeah, that'll make you stand out from the rest.
So iconic. All right, Zoo, how much paint experience do we have as a group?
We painted a set of wheels and your bike, I guess.
Okay, so what you're saying is we're pretty much experts. Got it, okay. So this is gonna be a walk in the park.
Oh no, there's gonna be hella rides. It's gonna take us 30 minutes.
We're not doing that again. Our local Subaru expert, Tua, said it's gonna take us 4 hours to paint this car.
30 minutes.
Okay, all right, check back in 30 minutes. And don't mind that it's night now, and when you see the result, it might be day. I promise you, it was only 30 minutes. But it will all be one color.
I have a dream where love's the only side. So take my hand, join the army of the sun. Going harder, we are more than numbers, standing in this hate. Going louder, we are all
Goodbye, Grandpa. We'll miss you.
their way.
Wet, 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 wet.
Surprise, I clear coated it. It's done.
30 minutes or less, like we said. It's white, but it has flake, but you can kind of tell. So,
Is this for wood or is this just metal too?
it's for metal, dude. I did my research, okay? It works for the car. But look, I'm gonna show you guys the flake. And be honest with your opinion, okay? Check this out. Tell me if you guys think yes. I hope it is. You ready?
Oh, wait, you went red for sure?
I'm painting the car red.
That's good.
Team red.
We're starting a race team. We're starting a fucking race team.
Wait, that's
That's an aggressive red, dude.
The S2000 is so show.
Damn, that's like Formula Red.
So Zoo's the only nerd that noticed. It's not fair. I had to tape that shit to hide it so you guys wouldn't see the color. Of course it's Rustoleum, assholes.
Okay, we're doing it live. 1, 2.
Doesn't it come up from there? Hey, there's some water.
Come on, more foam.
Oh, that's weak.
Do you need a hit start or anything? We started. Oh, let's come in. I think the foam works like a good idea to first. Damn, only 2.5 minutes left, bro. Holy moly.
Where's your bikini?
I left it at home. I got a minute left, man. It was too shabby.
Not bad. Don't forget the MakeShift license plate holder. Did you get your mirror?
I got that one. I didn't get this one.
I don't think you got the mirrors. Wow.
You want to get the sponge thing?
Oh yeah, is it? Okay.
And then we'll rinse.
Beaver Nuts. Sponsored by buc-ees.
It's like pressure washing.
Switch.
Alright, I'm going this way now.
2 minutes. This is a lot of soup. What do I do?
I feel like it's barely soaked. Dude, this car is gonna look so fucking clean. Maybe I should have washed it every now and again, huh?
Yeah. If you can't make it fast, you might as well make it clean.
I hate this. Look who the hell just showed up.
We got here just in time to not do any masking or any work. We got here just in time for food.
You know what? We're gonna find something for this dude to do. Best believe we're gonna find something for him to do.
He gets to wipe it down when we come back.
Yeah.
Car is fully masked, thanks to Ken and Michael. No thanks to this guy for just showing up for food. But we're about to paint. We just had to do a Wendy's run and a Beaver Nugs break. Now we're rejuvenated.
Beaver
Do
Nugs,
the work.
buc-ees, sponsor us.
We'll do it. All right, let's get it.
Alright, so we're back at the shop the next day. Beautiful weather. It rained a little bit earlier, so there's no pollen. We're about to see the color for the first time. And it's just me and Kedron here. We're trying to just clean up, and maybe we'll take the car back tonight, maybe we won't. Curtain reveal. Damn!
That boy got that race red.
It's pretty freaking good. Damn. A one color 2 quarter though.